Intuition isn't magic. It's not a loud voice or a lightning bolt of clarity. It's quiet, it's subtle. It's that small nudge you feel before your mind jumps in to explain things. For me, intuition feels like a gentle knowing. A soft yes or a clear no before I have words for it. It lives in the body, not the head. You might feel it in your chest, your belly, your breath. Sometimes it shows up as a related signal. A dream, a comment from a friend, a feather in your path. Something that gently confirms what you already felt. But we've been taught to override it, to doubt it, to second guess, and still, it shows up for all of us. The more we listen, the clearer it gets. You don't have to be psychic to be intuitive. You just have to be willing to pause, to listen inward, and to trust what quietly rises. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a full body reaction. Tight chest, racing mind, shallow breath. And when we're in that state, intuition gets drowned out. Intuition speaks softly, but stress shouts. And most of us live in that noise without even realizing it. We push through, we override, we miss those subtle nudges that would have guided us differently. That's why regulating your nervous system is key. For me, the 1 minute stress release is the quickest way to shift gears. It calms the body so I can hear my inner voice again. And it works whether your stress is past, present, or even something you're anticipating in the future. It's not about making stress disappear. It's about creating space. When we pause, even for just a minute, we make room for something deeper to rise. And that's when intuition starts to speak again. I'm here if you'd like support with this. I'm happy to coach you through it. Can I really trust my intuition? It's one of the most common questions I hear, and I've asked it myself. We're taught to second guess, to analyze, to wait for proof. But intuition doesn't always come with facts or explanations. Sometimes it's a gut feeling, strong and sudden like a full body yes or no. Other times, it's a quiet knowing that settles in without words. For some, it's like a mother's intuition on steroids. You just know without needing to be told. And when you try to explain it, it sounds like you're guessing, but you're not. You're remembering something your body already knew. It can also show up in images that flash in your mind, or in dreams that feel more like messages than stories. That doesn't make it less real. It makes it deeply personal. Trusting your intuition doesn't mean you're never wrong. It means you're willing to build a relationship with yourself. And that trust grows every time you pause, listen, and act on what feels aligned. You don't have to explain it to anyone else. You just have to honor what rises for you. Intuition isn't just something you have, it's something you can grow. Like a muscle, like a relationship. The more time you spend with it, the stronger it becomes. One of my favorite ways to strengthen intuition is through simple daily check ins. Take a quiet moment, ask yourself a question, then notice the first feeling, image, or sensation that rises. Don't try to analyze it, just observe. You can also journal, not to figure things out, but to make space for insight to land. Sometimes your own handwriting reveals more than your thoughts ever could. And one of my absolute favorite ways to tune in, coloring. Using my manifestation coloring book, or even a simple sacred geometry page, helps distract the linear analytical side of the brain. It creates a bridge for intuition to come forward. While you color, jot down or voice record any images, feelings, or thoughts that arise, and be sure to date them. Later, when something you sensed actually happens or unfolds, it becomes such meaningful validation. It reminds you, yes, I really can trust this part of myself. Intuition thrives in stillness. So even one mindful breath, one hand on your heart, one moment of silence can help you reconnect. It doesn't have to take hours. It just has to be honest. The more often you listen inward, the more natural it becomes. You can grow your intuition. And I'm here to help you remember how. Intuition isn't just for big decisions. It can guide the little ones too. What to say, what to eat, who to reach out to, when to pause or when to leap. But using intuition doesn't mean obsessing over every choice. It means being willing to pause, to check in, to make space for your inner knowing to be heard. When it matters, you'll feel it. And when it doesn't, you can trust that too. The more you practice listening, the more intuition becomes your inner compass. It might nudge you to take a different route to work, to check in on someone at just the right time, to say yes to something that makes no sense, yet feels completely right. And when something feels off, that's intuition too. It's not fear, it's awareness. Start small. Notice patterns, honor the quiet pulls, even if they don't come with explanations. You don't have to be perfect. Just present. Intuition isn't outside of you. It's in you. It's always has been. Let me help you develop it. It's always has been. It's always has been. Let me help you develop it.